Alright guys, this is as close as it's gonna get. I know it's gonna be, it's like half bleeding effect, like 15%, but it's literally the best I can offer right now, as it's just too sunny outside constantly, you know, summer and all. I'm gonna try and finish Resident Evil. I want to get it over with. I'm tired of constantly fixing this camera up. I got music in the background, by the way, because I know I'm gonna die a lot here. A couple of things. Like I just said, I'm gonna finish this first, so that means no more Knights of the Old Republic, no more Devil May Cry. I'm gonna focus on one game. Oh god. Do we have any grenades? Incendiary, like those are gonna do me any good. Oh my god, I hate this already. Screw that music, this song is too loud. Alright. Oh my god, there's a billion of them. Oh my Jesus. I hope you guys can survive this, by the way. Like, graphically wise. It's literally the best I could offer, but I really just want to start recording again. Whoop. Well, my ammo problems are over. Right, those guys won't keep up to catch up. They might. Oh no. What? Where are you guys coming from? Oh, wonderful. Did it kill me? No. Nice! I think this is our first checkpoint. Sure as all hope so.
I'm leaving it to you.
I'm leaving it to you.
Okay, Ashley. Let's see how we're doing on the ammo end. Okay, 2 grenades. I think we're doing quite well. Haven't gotten hit yet. I'm thinking about healing Ashley. Then again, she's gonna die in one hit anyway. Alright, what am I gonna do? Am I gonna kill everything? I'm gonna try and rush through. Alright, time to go down. We gotta protect Ash. Oh, right. What the? Oh dear. I'm gonna get hit. Knife. Oh! Oh.
No.
Damn it. Well, you have to admit that knife was really professional. As in the difficulty. Checkpoint. Oh, thank the Lord Almighty.
I'm leaving it to you.
Alright, now we gotta make a decision. What are we gonna do? I think it'd be best to just go down. Oh! Oh! And try and kill them from here. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. I thought I had 2 hand grenades. Oh well. You guys dead? Oh! Mad reflexes, y'all. Alright, we probably got a couple of archers. Fuck. No, no. Not today. Dun, dun. Dun, dun.
Help me, Leon.
Alright, there's one over here. Better hurry back to the bulldozer. Nothing? Fuck, 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 fuck. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna waste ammo on that, but it had to be done. Alright, so far so pendejo. Now we're doing well on the ammo front. Not as well as I'd hoped, especially with it coming up, but well, what can you expect? I think it's real name is U3, but not really sure about that. Oh, Leon, I missed your hair. Yeah, one thing I'm kind of disliking about my entire YouTube channel right now is that it's like a mishmash of content. We've got like a few Resident Evil, a few Devil May Cry, a few KOTOR. So I'm gonna keep recording KOTOR, but I'm not gonna upload them like instantly. I'm gonna wait a bit with that. So that it kind of comes like in series, you know? And I really made a big mistake yesterday. Well, I didn't really, my freaking PC did, or Fraps. Because it recorded an entire session, like 1 hour's worth. Oh no. Kick. Alright, last incendiary. Be my guide. But for some reason, Fraps decided, you know what, audio? I'm not gonna record that. You know, just to be a dick. And so I have like an hour and 20 minutes of footage of just the cursor and my game. What? Woo! We made it? Wow. I thought it was 10 times longer than that. That's pretty cool. I actually thought I'd be stuck here for like 20 years. Huh. Go figure. Oh, merchant room. Oh, time to stockpile up. Finally, actually wait here. Grenade. I'm gonna really have to look at my ammo right now because it is no pushover. I think he's got more HP than Sadler, I think, and knifing him is not an option. At least I don't know an option in which you can knife him easily. Greenstone of Judgment. Oh, you were for the cat. Yeah, I did not. Don't have the cat, so. Any more? No?
Welcome.
Welcome. Wilt u mijn waar?
Selection of what are you selling?
That's Dutch
Is that
for.
all, stranger?
That's Dutch for want to see my wares.
Thank you.
Let's see.
Is that all, stranger?
Yes.
Thank you. What are you buying?
I want to buy the Killer 7. I like that the weapon's in here. I don't think it's in any other version. It wasn't in the PlayStation version from what I remember. It was called differently. It's a reference to the GameCube game. Wait a minute, that GameCube game did get ported later on, so...
Back any time.
Alright.
Follow me.
Yes, you can. It's not that hard. Oh, it's the last we'll ever see of Ashley. Thank the Lord.
I can feel them growing ever so strongly inside you. Sadler!
Yeah.
Perhaps you can resist, but you cannot disobey. Now, come to me, Ashley.
Yes, master.
Ashley!
I like how it makes like this beeping sound. Yeah, nobody notices that. Which is probably why they find it.
It's already begun.
You don't say. Alright, time for my... This is my... Now we're gonna get 5 free. 5 free is... Wasn't that the... Yeah, that's a mega long chapter. The one that has 2 boss fights. It's a real pain in the ass. Alright, cause here with the dot we got Krauser. This is the laser hallway. This is all nothing, and this is it. This is... Let's see, this is it. Oh, this is it as well. Here we go up. This is Krauser. This is Mike. Oh, I'm not looking forward to the Mike event as well. It's not going to be fun. And this is the keycard level. Oh my god, the keycard level is going to be hard as nails as well, by the way. Shit. This is like the hardest parts. Like Krauser is going to be easy, well not easy, but doable due to him having a weakness to the knife, but it will be a problem. Oh, we get to see a nice little cutscene. The bitch in the red dress.
What's the news on our friend Leon?
He's not making it easy. The sample?
Sadler's got it. It seems he sniffed out our little game.
Perfect.
Just so we understand each other clearly, I don't trust you, nor does Wesker. If you try to do anything clever, I will kill you.
Is that so? You know, I met Wesker long before you.
We'll see soon enough if you did.
Yeah, we'll see.
I always like Krauser. I think everybody did. But especially for the reason that you didn't know him. He was just there, and we were supposed to know who he was. Like, Leon knew him, and you're like, who's this guy? He's like this really famous character from the series or something. Oh, no, wait, nobody knows him. Okay. Well, alright, let's see. Well, then, who is he? Alright, that's what I wanted to hear. Come on. Because you can pull these guys one at a time. Oh, there he is. Because that's what you want to do. Because there's a couple of shield guys and archers are down there. Come on, dickwad. Move. Oh, now I turn around. Dick. Don't get up. I was about to say, I kicked you like 20 times. Yeah. Alright, sound stopped. There's more. I always rush through this part, but there's quite a lot to do here actually, so there's a lot of ammo and shit. Yeah, I see I heard that guy. Now he's dead. Oh, fuck me. Come on, don't waste ammo. Good. Drop ammo for me. No? Fuck you. Oh, that could save my life, that flashbang. Just using this for a checkpoint. Should I require it? Because there's a couple more upstairs, and I think you go upstairs, there's going to be guys spawning downstairs. From what I remember. What? Okay. 20. Oh, that's it over here, okay. Try from continue point. I like how they don't call it checkpoint, but continue point. Alright, just rush towards that part and then rush back. Don't know where that arrow came from. Oh, there's another archer down there. Oh. It's a random thing. Sorry, I'm gonna be a dick. I need the ammo. I really do. You fucking piece of rainbow saddler. Finally. It's 15. And I don't care. 15 shots? Good enough for me. Time for my favorite part. And I mean that literally. I have a separate save game so I can replay this part. I remember doing that. I used to do that a lot, like make separate save games for parts I liked about the game. Ah, that's good times. Alright.